What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release October 29th. But before we get into the main attraction, wanted to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 11 Cherry. These right here will be releasing December 10th. Pre-orders are available right now on FineLine1721.com and they are shipping out early. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have the standard lift top Jordan box with the cement print all over. It's very reminiscent to the military black 4 that we got earlier this year. Instead of being an all black box, this one is a midnight navy box. Flight Jordan branding with the red Jumpman logo. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 4 Retro, white midnight navy, size 10 we're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip this box up. Got the cement paper right here. Go ahead and flip that back. And now let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Midnight Navy. These joints right here is definitely going to be a problem when they release. If you are a fan of the military black 4 that released earlier this year, you're definitely going to be a fan of these. They are cut almost from the same cloth. Getting right into it, these do come with the tissue paper instead of the cardboard shoe tree. Taking a look at that top-down view, all white sock liner, navy blue liner behind the tongue. Navy blue Air Jordan branding sitting on the white tab with the all red thread going around it. And we also have a navy blue insole with the white Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Taking a closer look at the tongue, have a reflective white badge on the tongue, navy blue Jumpman logo, red Flight branding sitting underneath it, white laces, white net, white mesh. Toe box has very, very good material right here. The leather that they used on these, as you can see, very, very thick, tumbled leather. Honestly, they kind of remind me of the military blacks, but kind of like just a little bit more stepped up in quality. Going to the lateral side of the shoe, that tumbled leather is dressed throughout the whole uppers. White mesh, white net, midnight navy lace holders, cement gray flat right here with the navy blue specs, cement gray midsole with the navy blue specs, sitting on top of the navy blue outsole, all white milky air bubble unit. Going down to the bottom of the shoe, navy blue, gray, and red traction with the red Jumpman logo sitting on the bottom. Going around to the heels of the shoe, cement gray heel tab with the navy blue Jumpman logo sitting on the top. Going around to the medial side, same exact weight as the lateral, nothing different there. Got the same elements of that nice tumbled white leather throughout the whole uppers as stated earlier. So that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 4 Midnight Navy. If you're interested in this pair and you want to pick them up, head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. They will be shipping out early. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.